So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this turkey Thanksgiving candy holder. You can use as a gift, you can use and place on the top of your dish to show where everybody's gonna sit. You can put it like some cash and give as a gift. There's tons of things that we can do, and they're super cute. So hi everybody, I'm Dani from Dani Tutorials and Kiki Crafts. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Our channel is full of tutorials and things for us to make like craft style. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make that little candy holder for Thanksgiving. Here on my channel I already have the ghosts for Halloween and some other ones. So you can make this with a Cricut or a silhouette machine, like a cutting machine, or cut it by hand with a scissor. You're gonna need like 3 pieces with the paper. That you can see, one of the circle is a little big of the other, and then we're gonna need one that I printed on the photo paper because I think it looks cute. And then the bottom one that is not cut it, I'm gonna show you guys what we need. And then basically it's just putting on the top of each other and being sure then they are all connected, and it's gonna hold your candy right there. So it's not complicated. You can definitely do this with the scissor, and then or the Cricut machine. We're also gonna have the file for that and for the silhouette, so you can download it and do it there. Okay, so if you have the Cricut machine, this is how the print and cut will look like, and then we'll cut it for you. Of course, you just place there. You have like those black white lines, so it's gonna cut it for you. But if you don't have, we're gonna cut that with a scissor. One tip to cut it as close to perfect as possible, and to don't have a little rigid sides or things like that, is to use a bigger scissor. I know that some of the cuts are little, but if you use a large scissor, you cut it, the motion or cutting it, you're gonna do less and less. So the chances to have nothing, some part that is not straight, is less than if you using a tiny little scissor. So I'm gonna go around and cut it, and then that's what I mean. Like if you cut it that with a small scissor, you're gonna make that cutting motion so many times, and then you're gonna have kind of like a zigzag in the end. And then if you use just try to use one motion to go around, you kind of have less of that. So I think it is a good thing to try, to get used to it. A bigger scissor for that. So now we have the circle, then we need to cut it. We can cut it by hand, or if you're gonna make a bunch of those, you can, if you don't have a Cricut machine or a silhouette machine, you can buy this hole puncher. I think this is 2 1/4 space, but it would depend what you're gonna use in the middle. Some people use the clear Christmas ornaments, or something. I'm gonna show you what I use. I bought it Amazon. It's kind of like a candy holder. So to cut the circle, if you don't have the puncher or you don't have the Cricut machine, just make some cuts like you cutting a pizza, and then you just go around, because you're gonna have a place to put your scissor. It's not complicated. Sometimes I know that cutting circles can be a little bit intimidating sometimes, but guys, it's just cutting like you're cutting in a straight side, so it's not that hard. So like, just to show you guys, if you have the plunger, you put it upside down, and then you put it right on the top where you need, and you cut it. So of course it's gonna make your life easier, correct? So a lot of people use that Christmas, the clear Christmas ornaments, the ones that you can open in half, but I think they're too expensive if you're gonna make a bunch. I got this at Amazon. I will leave the link for you guys below. It's kind of like I think it's a candy or a chocolate holder, and it's like $100 for $15. I bought it like a while ago. There's the top or not top. For my other Halloween one, that's the ghost, and you guys can see, I use the top, and this one I'm gonna show you how to, don't use the top if you prefer, okay? Because I wanna show you guys how to make the bottom part, the base part, how we can make a little opening, and you don't need to put it all your design apart to open the chocolate. So of course you can perforate with your cutting machine, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do that without it, and then giving the same idea. So you use the other pieces to see and to trace exactly where you're gonna need your circle. And then with the X-Acto knife, you're just gonna go like, kind of, you're like sewing a little trace, a little bit and a little bit, like a perforation. So when we glue the chocolate on top, from the back side, you can just pull it off like a tab and open your chocolate, so you don't need to destroy this little cutie turkey just to get your chocolate. I know then all the cutting machines can do that for you, but I wanted to show you guys that even those little details you can use, by hand. And then we're gonna have a little tab, then you're just gonna cut it a straight line, so we can pull that off and open. So it will be like a tab, and then you can just grab that and open up, and it's gonna be super easy to do it. So this one that don't have the hole is the bottom one. And the only thing we're gonna do, we're going to glue the back right there. So I use hot glue. One thing that I say, my hot glue is not happy with me. I left it on yesterday. So it's kind of giving me such a hard time to now come off. So always remember to turn off your hot glues. Don't leave them open because it just messes them up. So I'm just gonna go gentle with the hot glue. If you have a hot glue that is that double temperature, just use it a little bit on the colder side because you don't want it to melt your plastic. So we're gonna place it there. I like to place it all the way around, and now I will use a little bit more glue around it because we're gonna glue on this around it the second top. So I'm just gonna be dotting a little bit of the glue so we know then it's gonna stay in place. Your chocolate is not gonna fall around. And then also it's gonna glue the next one. So the next one is the one that has a little bit of the bigger hole, and then we're gonna just place on top. And then you're gonna see then we just holding the edge of that plastic chocolate holder right in place. And then that's it. You can use even like a 3D tape if you want to give kind of like more three-dimensional feeling, but I feel that it's so cute the way it is, then I don't need to go all crazy. And a little bit of glue all over so we can put our next step. Just place right on top of it and glue everything. As you can see, I kind of let a little bit out of center because I like to see the colors, but you can, the template is perfect to be all hiding if you want to, but I like to see the orange and the brown. That's why I use 2 different color of paper. So basically you're not gonna see it anyway, so if you want to just use white paper or cardstock, by the way, that's what I'm using, a cardstock, you can do that too. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue, and then we just going to place the top part, the photo paper on top. Of course, you can make all those details in cardstock. There's tons of some of the templates for that, but I think photo paper looks so much better than be a bunch of cardstock giving the details. But it's up to you. You can do whatever you feel like you like it the best. And I'm just gluing the little feet on the bottom just to be sure that my chocolate is going to be safe and sound. So it's super easy. I think this dome is 2.6 inches. And then the template is going to be perfect for that. But if you need to make it a little bigger or smaller, you can use the file to do as well. You can put googly eyes if you want to give a little bit more detail. And here is the tab, so you just pull it off. They can get the candy. It's super easy, looks so kind of professional if you think about it. Can be a party favor if you're having a Thanksgiving party, a Friendsgiving, or anything like that. And you can put any chocolate, you can put glitter, you can put little toys like hatchkins or little tiny toys, little balls, whatever you want, then it will fit on that place. But I love it. This is kind of a easy way to make gifts when you need to make it for a lot of people. Or I like to make one of those, and I will cut a vinyl and put it on the top of the dome and put the names as my place setting, so everybody knows where they need to sit, and also have that to take home and to remember how good and how good time they had it on that Thanksgiving. Of course, you need to remember to show the love and and be thankful for everything we have and in love and life and everything. So a little bit of handmade gift. It will make so much more special. So you can see all the materials and all the templates down below for you guys. If you're watching till now, you want to get the Cricut or the silhouette file, you can go to my Etsy store, and I am just giving you the code right at the end of the video. So if you watch it by now, you will be able to get this template for free. So that's a good thing. Thank you for staying with me. As you can see, you can add a little ribbon. You can write down like a message on the back. I think all those kind of little tiny details make such a difference. So I'll definitely make a little, bow to put it there on his head, or her head, I guess, is a little girl turkey because it's cuter. But the code's gonna be here for you guys. Go to my Etsy store, Kiki Crafts, and then you use that to get this template for free. I know then they will be charging there, but you can get it for free using our code. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can have more to come. Thank you so much. Bye.